Overview actually. I think
Okay.
you might be knowing about this.
Yes.
Just to refresh your knowledge,
Okay.
maybe you may be knowing about these things. SAP overview. What is ERP? Various
Okay.
ERP products in the market. Introduction to
Okay.
SAP, which is
Okay.
SAP.
Yep.
SAP R by 3. What is SAP R by 3?
Okay.
SAP functional modules, SAP technical modules. This we'll be
Okay.
discussing actually.
Okay.
What is ERP? Uh,
Okay.
ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. It
Mm-hmm.
refers to the software and systems used by organizations to manage and integrate their core business processes. These processes can include finance, accounting, human resources, supply chain management, manufacturing, and customer relationship management. Essentially, ERP systems help streamline operations, improve efficiency, and provide a unified view of data across different departments. What it
Okay.
means, uh, enterprise resource planning is a software like SAP.
Okay.
SAP is also an ERP.
Okay.
So, like SAP, there are many ERPs in the market. That
Okay.
is what I mean to say.
Okay.
And are you are you able to get my accent, English
Yes.
accent,
Yeah. Of course. Yeah. It's fine.
or I have to talk slow?
No problem. If I have an issue, I'll call you back.
Okay, okay,
I will notify you if I can. If I don't understand or I cannot maybe make out what you said,
fine, fine,
I will let you know.
fine.
Yes.
Huh. Why ERP is actually required? Why do you want to have ERP?
Okay.
So for that, I
So excuse
will
me.
just
One minute. Are you going to share this note with me?
hi. If you want, I can share these notes with you.
Please, I will
I
appreciate
can
that.
share. I can share all this with you, all these files with you.
Okay,
No
please, so
problem.
that for
No
revision,
issue.
because I intend to do a certification afterwards, after the training.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Uh,
No, no issue.
All right.
So I'm just giving an example. I gave an
Okay.
example here. Already I
Okay.
gave. Yes. So, acha, acha, I have erased it actually. Fine. This, I did erased. Anyway, I will write down the things again. See, in any organization in your plant also, there may be many departments, right?
Okay. Okay.
Like accounts department,
Yeah.
accounts department, say
Mm.
accounts department, then engineering, engineering or maintenance department,
Okay.
maintenance department. Okay. Then maybe sales department, sales,
Okay.
marketing, marketing, and what else? Production department,
Yeah.
production. There are so many
Human.
departments,
Yes. HR,
and your
human resources.
HR, then store. You call it store or warehouse?
Yes.
Warehouse,
Yeah.
warehouse. Then uh, warehouse. That's enough.
Okay.
Anyway, the customer is some customer. Suppose uh, you, in your company, what are you manufacturing? What are you manufacturing in your company?
So before I came to Qatar, the company I work with is we sell gas. So
Ah,
we yeah, so we manufacture scales, weighing scales to weigh the quantity of gas in our
weighing
cylinders.
scales. Acha, acha.
Yeah,
You are
yes,
manufacturing weighing scales.
yes,
Okay. So some customer will come.
yes,
Customer will come. Customer will come, and he will tell. So the customer will come and he will approach the
yeah,
sales department. He will
yes,
approach this marketing department.
y-
So he
yeah,
will tell that he wants some scales. He
yeah,
wants some face scales.
yeah,
So maybe he will tell that I want a 100 kg weight scale.
yes,
Say 100 kg weight scale of say quantity. He wants about maybe 10 numbers. 10
okay,
numbers. Maybe 10 numbers.
okay,
10 numbers. He wants. So he will approach this man,
mm-hmm.
marketing department, and he will tell that he wants these skills.
Okay,
Now now what he will do? Suppose there is no ERP,
mm.
then what he will do? He will ring. He will dial to the uh, he will dial to the warehouse.
Okay,
He will dial to the warehouse and ask whether 100 kg scales are available and how
yeah,
many are available.
okay,
Suppose warehouse person is busy, then the customer has to wait
mm.
until the warehouse person is available.
Yeah,
Then when the warehouse person will come, then he will tell, yeah, I have got some 100 kg vegetable, but
okay,
I don't have 10. I have only got 5. He will tell
yes,
that I have only 5.
mm-hmm.
So the sales person will tell the customer that no, that there are only 5 vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
The other vegetables we can supply for some time. Then the customer will ask me how, after how much time you can supply those 5 scales.
Yeah,
Then he will contact the production department. He has to contact the production department.
okay,
Then and the production department may be busy in some work. He may not be available. When he is available, then he will tell him after how many days, maybe about 4 days, maybe
okay,
after 4 days. Then he will tell the customer that look, the scales will be available after another 4 days.
yeah,
So the customer has lost a lot of time in this, isn't it?
yeah,
That's what you observe, isn't it?
yes,
Now the same thing happens with the production, with the production and engineering department also. Suppose in the production some machine is under breakdown. Machine is under
yeah,
breakdown. Then what he will do? He will dial the maintenance person. If there is no
mm.
ERP, if there is no
Exactly,
SAP,
yeah,
then he will dial the maintenance person. Maintenance person may be in the plant, he is busy, he is not available to lift the phone. Then he will try, and ultimately he will inform the maintenance department. Then the maintenance department, actually he will not inform the maintenance department. He will inform the planning department. Planning department. He will inform the planning department.
Okay.
Okay. You will inform the planning department in the production. Then the planning department has to plan. He will start planning.
Okay.
What he will plan? He will plan the resources like manpower, spares, external services. What some spares may be available, some may not be available. If the spare is not available, then he has to raise the purchase requisition. All those things he will do. His planning department. So this is taking a lot of time, no?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It is. It is.
Ultimately, the customer is not satisfied.
Yeah.
This leads to the customer dissatisfaction, isn't it?
Because.
So if there is ERP, then what will happen? If there is ERP, say, like our SAP,
Okay.
if there is a ERP like our SAP, then what will happen? The salesperson, he does not have to dial the warehouse.
Yeah.
Directly, he will see in the system what is the stock. At
Yeah.
the instant of a button, he will get what is the stock. Then
Yeah.
he will tell. Then he will see. Then he will see the production module.
Hmm.
In the production module, he will see the status of the
Yeah.
production.
Okay.
Yes, these five machines will be available in how many days? Yes, he will come
Mm.
to know that, and instantly he will tell the customer
Customer.
within 1 or 2 minutes. He will tell the customer that we have got only five machines. The other five machines will be available after 4 days. This will take how much time? If there is SAP, say SAP is there. If SAP is there, it will take hardly 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes it will take. So that much time is very fast. And
Yes.
SAP S4 HANA is real time. You know, these things are real time.
Okay.
So it's more fast. So similarly, if there is a breakdown also, he can tell the planning department. And the
Okay.
planning department can also plan very fastly
Yes.
because he will raise a notification. He will not
Yeah.
dial the planning department. He
Yeah.
will raise a notification, and this planning person will see what is the notification.
Okay.
Then he will he will plan the jobs
Okay.
within say half an hour. He
Okay.
will send the he will raise an order that is
Okay.
called the PM order. That PM order will go to the engineering department, and the engineering department will send the required manpower, spares, and everything, and he will attend the breakdown. So
Yeah.
it's very smooth and very fast system that you will come to know when we see the SAP.
Okay.
So that's what about that's all about this in short. And okay, now we were here. Okay.
Yes.
So why ERP is required? That's what I have
Okay.
told. Integration of business processes, information is instantly and easily shared by various departments.
Yeah.
Decision making,
Okay.
better control over various business processes.
Okay.
Enhanced reporting capability, better utilization of resources, personal, machines, materials, money, all these things can be best utilized. And
Okay.
ultimately, there will be better customer satisfaction.
So. Yes.
That is our aim.
Okay.
So examples of ERP products, there are many ERPs available. So
Okay.
SAP S4 HANA is there. That is our SAP. This is
Yes.
the this is the
Yes.
latest version of SAP.
Okay.
Is the latest version.
Okay.
This this is available in the market. It's the latest version. What I mean, to say.
Okay.
Earlier, I mean, previously SAP ECC was there.
Okay.
All are working on R by 3 principle. We will see what is R by 3 and all that. Then
Okay.
Oracle NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics, BAM. So you can read this file. I will send you this files.
Okay.
I don't
All right.
want to waste time here.
Okay.
Deployment options. Deployment option. This is important. This can be two types:
Okay.
on premise,
Okay.
on premise, software installed and managed on company's own
Servers.
servers.
Yes.
Own servers. Company
Mm.
has got its own server. On
Okay.
this, on company's own server, the software is installed. Our SAP software is installed, and the company is operating
Okay.
by LAN. Company
Okay.
is operating by
Local
LAN,
area
LA
network.
in LAN,
Yes.
local area network.
Yes.
So that's how it is operating.
Okay.
Uh, it can be cloud based also. This
Okay.
S4 HANA uh, is available.
Okay.
Uh, it is cloud based also.
Okay.
It is on premise also. You have got two. Uh, Either you can take cloud based or on premise. So software is hosted in cloud based. What is happening? Software is hosted and accessed via the internet with the vendor handling maintenance and updates.
Okay.
So here the advantage is that if company is having its own server, then
Mm.
there should be a computer engineer or somebody who is doing the maintenance of this and who
Okay.
is taking the backups,
Okay.
all this. If there's a problem in the hardware, they have to attend such
Mm-hmm.
things. But now
Mm-hmm.
here the advantage is that it is accessed via the internet from the vendor.
Mm.
So
I'm
the
listening.
vendor the
Yeah.
vendor will look after the
Yes.
maintenance and
An update.
updates and backups and all that. I mean
Mm.
backup of the customer data.
Okay.
All these things he will do. Okay.
Okay.
Just 1 minute.
Okay.
Uh, then you can have also hybrid. What is
Okay.
hybrid? Hybrid is a combination of this. Nothing but a combination of this. That is hybrid.
Okay.
Now, what is R by 3? You must have heard SAP R by 3, SAP R by 3. You must have heard. What is R by 3? It is a three-tier architecture.
Okay.
Server model with separate presentation, application, and database layers. It has
Okay.
got presentation layer, application layer, and database
Database.
layer, which stores the data.
Okay.
You have already handled computer, so you must be having a good idea of these things.
Of course.
So what is presentation layer? It is SAP GUI. You must have
Okay.
heard about
Yes.
this SAP
Yes.
GUI. It is
Yes.
nothing but a graphical user interface
Yes. Yes.
for a user to interact with the system. So the user can interact with the system by SAP GUI.
Okay.
So, and there is another layer, application layer. The application layer is the middle tier of the SAP R by 3 architecture. It houses the business logic and application programs that execute various business processes.
Mhm.
And database layer used to store and manage databases used by SAP. That one. So we will just see what is this in the system. I just want to show you this in the system.
Okay.
So system, I will log in the system. So I am logging into the system. Okay.
Okay.
You know how to log in the system? Like this, you have to log in.
Yes.
Now see, we
Hmm.
got this screen.
Yes. So give me a moment. I got it before, but I wanted to check it again.
Yeah.
Let me
So
try.
this is the presentation layer.
Okay.
This is our presentation layer. From this, we can go to logistics, or
Okay.
we can type any transaction. Suppose I will type some transaction, IW33. That is order. This is PM order, plant
Okay.
maintenance order. Of course, we will learn about all these things. I'm just showing what is presentation layer. All these are
Oh.
all these are presentation layer. Whatever we
Okay.
are working here. Okay.
Okay.
Now, uh, just see here. I click. Sorry. And another thing here, here, here there are two things. You can press F1. If you press F1, then
Mm-hmm.
you will have this is SAP help. It will show
Okay.
what is that field, or what is it will help. Like this is equipment number,
Okay.
equipment by which the number by which a piece of equipment can be data identified. So you
Okay.
go.
So F.
So
So
if you don't,
if I need help, I'll press F1.
if you don't know what is that field, say
Okay.
you don't know
Okay.
this field. Say you don't
Okay.
know what is this
Yes.
MNWKCTI. You don't know this. Then I
Yes.
click my mouse button right hand
Okay.
side,
Yes.
and I go. Otherwise, I can click F1 also.
Okay.
What is this main work center? Means maintenance work center
Okay.
for maintenance task. Key which uniquely identify the responsible work center for this. So you can know these things. Mm.
Okay.
And another key which is important is F4. Ah,
Mm.
what is that F4? I will tell
F4.
you.
Okay.
Ah, IW31. IW31. So suppose I want to create a order. No, I don't.
Mm.
I can even drop down like this. Or otherwise, if I want to know the possible entries, I will click F4. Same thing. This drop down
Okay.
will come.
Okay.
Either I can drop down or I can click F4. So this is what it is. IW33 again we will go. So there I will click on this field. I will click for help. No, not help.
Okay.
See, I will click for help. Okay,
Okay.
I'm clicking for help. So I got this help. Fine, that's fine. Now there is something called this hammer and spanner. What is
Okay.
this? Technical information.
Okay.
So I will click on technical information. When I
Okay.
click on technical information, what I'm getting? See, there's a program.
Mm.
So this is the application layer. This
Okay.
program is running in the background.
Okay.
This is the ABAP program. This
Okay.
is running on the in the background,
Okay.
and because of this, we are getting all this screen. So we want
Okay.
to see what is the program. Then you can double click on this. See, this is the
Okay.
program.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I see.
These programs are all written in ABAP language, ABAP language.
Okay.
This is the language of, this is the proprietary language of SAP, ABAP.
What language did you call it?
ABAP, ABAP.
Okay, ABAP.
Yeah, this this is done by the programmers.
Okay.
Now you want to see what is the database, isn't it?
Hmm.
Database also you can see here. Say, but here it is a structure actually.
Hmm.
If you double click on this, it is something table name is there. On
Hmm.
table name, if you double click, you will have something like this. But this is also database,
Okay.
but this is a structure. Structure means it is like a template, like a form. If you go to some office, if they give you some form to fill up, it's
Yes.
like that. It's a template, but that data is not there. That is why it is called structure in SAP language. I will show you a table also, which is database. So here, if I click this, I will get another, I can create another session. I can either click or I can type /n.
Okay.
Okay, I will click here. I will get another session. Now I have got two sessions, two screens are there. Like that, I can go up to 7 or 8 screens.
Okay.
Now I think the
I have multiple strings.
yeah, SC16. Yeah, SC16 is the T code for this. See, SC16. This is the T code. This is the code. We always type the T codes in the command bar. This is called command bar.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, T
Okay.
code, transaction codes, right?
Transaction codes. Correct. EQI. The table name is EQI. I know this. That is why I'm typing.
Okay.
Now I enter. This is German language.
Okay.
So I will just execute and see what are the man. Right? I don't know what is this name. Anyway, I will execute and see equipment
Okay.
number, equipment date, all these things have come. Description, who has created, everything will come. Many data will come.
Okay.
Ah, equipment type will come. S is
Mhm.
customer equipment. So all this is data.
Yes.
So these are the three layers in SAP.
Okay.
That's what I wanted to show you. That's why I have logged.
Okay.
Now, yeah, this is what it is. Okay.
Application administrator.
Then, yes. Okay. So SAP R by 3 ECC and S4 now. SAP R by 3 uses the client server model and allows users to store, retrieve, and analyze and process corporate data. SAP ECC,
Hmm.
after SAP R by 3, we got SAP ECC. What does
Okay.
SAP ECC do? SAP, what is the difference between R by 3 and ECC? SAP ECC runs on a web-based application server. That
Mm-hmm.
means it runs on internet.
Okay.
Internet.
Mm-hmm.
Users can also access the R by 3 database through web
Mm-hmm.
browsers, allowing for work to be completed properly. It is just introduction. Nothing, just for our knowledge. We should know all these things. That's all.
Okay.
SAP S4 HANA is SAP's next generation suite. That is this
Okay.
it is after ECC we got S4 HANA. Now
Okay.
this is there in the market. S4 HANA. So what is the difference between ECC and S4 HANA? S4 HANA is SAP's next generation suite. It has column oriented in memory relational database that combines online analytical processing and online transaction processing operations into a single system. It, it needs less disk space than some of its competitors and is highly scalable. Now I will explain you what it is. Uh, now, previously, means previous to S4 HANA,
Mm-hmm.
SAP ECC and SAP R3 both were having database which is of third party. They did not have their own database. They were using SQL database, or
Okay.
they were using Oracle.
Okay.
They were not having their own database. Now S4 HANA has got its own database. That
Okay.
is the biggest advantage.
Okay.
So they don't have to rely on the third parties. Now
Okay.
they have developed their own database.
Mm-hmm.
So that database is column oriented, they are telling. Even I don't know much about this database because basically I am a functional consultant. This is known by the technical consultants.
Okay.
Anyway, uh, it is column oriented. They are telling column oriented means the data is scanned column wise here in
Mm-hmm.
S4HANA. In other databases, it is scanned row wise. So that is one difference. And by scanning column wise, you can retrieve the data faster. That's what
Okay.
they are saying. And also, it has got a in-memory relational database. That means they are telling that this data is there on the RAM itself. So RAM is very fast. It is faster than the hard disk, as you
Okay.
might be knowing.
Yeah.
So the data is there on the RAM. So real time, uh, uh, we can do the real time functions by
Okay.
this. So S4 HANA is very fast, and
All right.
it can cloud based also. So
Okay.
that is the advantage of this. And they
Over
say that it needs less disk space
space.
also.
Okay.
Yeah. Less disk space. So and now I will tell you what is SAP functional modules. Functional modules means, as you know, finance, controlling, sales, MM, materials management,
Yeah. Production
sales
planning.
and distribution. Finance and controlling are accounting modules.
Mm-hmm.
Materials management, then PP, which is production planning, quality management, plant maintenance is our module which we see. There's a project system module. If you do any project work, like you have done some project work also, you said you have worked on the Primavera also, you said, no?
Mm-hmm.
So this is that type of a module.
Okay.
Human capital system is HR module. So these are the functional modules.
Okay.
And technical modules means ABAP, which I have just told, Advanced Business Application Programming. This is the
Okay.
programming language. This is done by the programmers mainly.
Okay.
Is a SAP's proprietary
Okay.
programming language used for developing applications and extensions within the S4 HANA environment.
Mhm.
SAP NetWeaver is there something which I also don't know. SAP Basis means this is handled by the IT persons. Normally,
Mhm.
they give authorizations to some person for some transactions. All these things is done by the SAP Basis. SAP
Okay.
Basis is the core component of NetWeaver responsible for for system administration. That is authorizations and all that. Security and user management, all this. It is mainly handled by the IT department, by the computer department. SAP process integration is there, something I don't know that. You can read it. SAP Enterprise Portal is there. Then SAP HANA database, we have seen that there is a SAP Solution Manager, SAP Business Technology Platform. These are all technical modules.
Okay.
Now, I don't know about these technical modules.
I understand.
I know only about the functional modules because
Okay.
I am a functional consultant.
Okay.
This is the end of it. Thank you.
Right.
And
Okay.
now we don't have time. Yeah, we have some time. Fine. Now we will see what we are going to do, what we are going to what we are going to take up.
Okay.
Yes, this is introduction which I am giving. From
Okay.
tomorrow onwards, maybe we will start the module plant maintenance
Okay.
overview. This is.
Okay.
I will send all these files. You can also see them.
Yes, please.
Uh,
I would like so I can go through them before the class.
yeah, definitely. Sure. Organizational structure, master data, maintenance
Yeah.
planning, maintenance execution. All these things uh, we'll be discussing.
Mhm.
So, what is SAP? All those things we have already discussed. So,
Okay.
here the organization structure and all these things we will discuss. This
Okay.
we will be discussing tomorrow. This
Okay.
organization structure. Then what is master data? What is transaction data? That we will discuss. Equipment, functional locations, bill of materials, measuring points, counters, task list, work center, catalog, class and characteristics. All these things we will all the master data, which we will take in detail about all these things. So these things we will be discussing. Measurement and counter readings. Technical objects, what are the technical objects in plant maintenance, like functional location, equipments. This we will take in detail.
Okay.
That's why I'm not explaining all these things.
I get you.
I don't have to explain right now because we will take them in detail. I think day
Okay.
after tomorrow we will be taking day after tomorrow or from tomorrow we can take if there is time.
Okay.
So types of maintenance. After this we will take the uh,
Okay.
types of maintenance, breakdown maintenance, corrective maintenance, which uh, preventive maintenance, which can
Okay.
be based or performance based or condition based. Uh, Time based means suppose you want an order to suppose you want to do a maintenance activity after some time, after each month. Say you want to do some cleaning activity after every month. So that is time based. And performance based means suppose performance. You will see the performance. Suppose there is an aircraft. Uh, and in aircraft, you will see what is the running hours, how many
Okay.
times it has landed, and how many times it has taken off.
Okay.
I mean, the how many times and how many times it was there uh, in the flying. That means flying hours.
Okay.
That based on that you can do some maintenance. That is performance based and condition based. Suppose there's an equipment and you want that the temperature should be uh, say 80 degrees. You want the temperature to be 80 degrees. Now the temperature has gone to say 85 degrees. Then it's condition based. That is called condition based. Then you will do some maintenance. You will either
Okay.
replace it, you will replace the sensor, you will do some maintenance on that.
Okay.
Then this is refurbishment order. That means if there is a critical spare, if there is a very costly spare, it will be repaired. So that is a special order we call. That is called a refurbishment order in our SAP language. Then calibration and inspection. That there are test instruments. Maybe with you all in your plant also you must have seen some in your plant there are some instruments which have calibrated. So that is calibration and inspection we will take. So what is maintenance process? And all that we will take
Okay.
one by one. We will take in this. There is a breakdown. Then notification is created. That
Okay.
means the planning department is notified. The
Yes.
planning department will check for the resources, space, external services, and also whether whether the maintenance department is doing some other jobs. It will check all those things, the planning department, and then it will raise a PM order. It will create a PM order. This is created by the maintenance
Okay.
planning department. Then then the execution is done for the order. They will see the bill of materials. There's a task list in the order. They, according to that, they will do the maintenance execution. These people will issue the spares, external services. They will provide. This is the maintenance processing. Then maintenance execution. How maintenance execution is done? Uh, Maintenance order is released by your manager or somebody. Then the technician or the engineer he will issue the spares and all that. Whether there are non-stock items or stock items. Uh, if it is a non-stock item, the planning department will raise a purchase requisition for the non-stock item. If it is a stock item, he will issue that from the warehouse. Then, if the planning department has provided some external service, like a contractor or something, they will take. Then they will do the actual maintenance. The physical maintenance, they will do actual maintenance on the machine. After maintenance is over, they will confirm the order.
Uh-huh.
Confirmation. In confirmation, they will enter the starting time, the finishing time, all those things, and they will close the maintenance order. That is how the maintenance execution is done. Then there are
Okay.
many maintenance plans. This is preventive maintenance. This comes under preventive maintenance. Single
Okay.
cycle strategy, multiple counter plan. All these things we will take up.
Okay.
These things all we will take up.
Okay.
Refurbishment order, as I have said, these are all spares required
Okay.
for repairing the critical spare, like a motor or something. In
Okay.
your, you can repair it or you can send it to the external agency also. That is called a refurbishment order. So this we will do, and calibration comes where such instruments are there. We will do the calibration. So
Okay.
how to do the calibration, inspection lots we will be doing. These things we will take up. Then warranty types also we will discuss, vendor warranty and customer warranty. Normally, customer warranty we will not discuss because this is done in the PS module,
Okay.
customer service module. It is like PM module. In PM module, we will be taking up vendor or manufacturer warranty because we always purchase something. No?
Okay.
We suppose we have purchased some compressor, then the compressor will have some warranty or guarantee which is given by the supplier. So that we will see, and work clearance management in this we will see the permits and all that here. Serial numbers also we will see. All these things we will see. This is master data.
Okay.
Then we will see how it is integrated with other modules.
Okay.
Our plant maintenance module is integrated with MM, PP, HR, FI, CO, PS, AM, asset management, quality management. We'll see how it is integrated. Uh, that is what